When you borrow money, you get a tax benefit from the government, especially when it is education loan and home loan. Go right now, click on the link in the description below and register for our course Namaste Money. In case of your education loan, the entire interest that you pay per annum is allowed as a tax deduction without any limit. So you can hold on to your education loan for 8 years to enjoy the tax benefit. Whereas in home loan, you get a deduction under 80C for the principal payments towards the home loan up to 1.5 lakh rupees. Then you get interest deductions under section 24 of up to 2 lakh rupees. So your interest amount on the loan in the entire year, if it's up to 2 lakhs, then you get a deduction of that. You further get an interest deduction where you bought a house of value under 45 lakhs of 1.5 lakh rupees. So the government has taken these initiatives to encourage us to go for that home loan and education loan and build our dream house or complete that course. We hope that you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed it creating for you. So what are you waiting for? Go right now. Click on the link in the description below and register for our course Namaste Money, which is an online course on A to Z of personal finance. You will learn everything from your asset classes to how to invest in them and make your own financial plan. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for freshly brewed content from Wealth Cafe. Lastly, don't forget, save hard and invest smart.